Hello learners! Welcome to our class today. Now, I will discuss on how to recognize the positive and negative messages. So, what is positive message? Positive messages includes messages where the audience is expected to react in a neutral to positive manner. Positive messages tend to consist of routine or good news. These messages might be items such as congratulations, confirmations, directions, simple credit requests, or credit approvals. Aside from the expressions mentioned, there are other expressions used to convey positive and negative messages. What are those? When you are expressing gratitude, you will use these words like thank you, I appreciate the effort, I value and respect your opinion, a million things. You are such a blessing. So how to use it in a sentence? You work so hard as a frontliner, you are such a blessing. So you are such a blessing is the positive expression that is uh, being used. Okay, so try this example. I appreciate the efforts of our government in addressing the pandemic. So what do you think is the positive expression used in the sentence? Very good. The positive expression used in the sentence is I appreciate the effort. When giving motivation, encouragement, you will use these words. Thumbs up. Very good. You can do it. Great. Wow. Good job. So, how will we use these words in a sentence? Good job. You closed the business deal. So, there, good job is the positive expression used in the giving motivation or encouragement. So, let's try this another example. Very good. You have been a good example to others. So, what is the positive words used in the sentence? Great, your answer is correct. The positive words there is very good. So when expressing agreement, you will use these words. Absolutely right. I agree. Correct. Sure. Yes. You are right. So how to use these words in a sentence? So first, sure. You can always stay with us. So the word sure is the positive expression used in the sentence. So another, when giving greetings or well wishes, you can use hi, hello, good morning, good evening, Godspeed, nice to see you, welcome. So that are the words. So when giving congratulatory remarks, you can use best wishes. Bravo! Congratulations! You did it! Well done! So now let's try to make an example using positive expression. Okay, thank you for your participation, class. So again, positive messages express gratitude, motivation, or encouragement. They also express greetings, agreement, or congratulatory remarks. On the other hand, how do you convey negative remarks or messages? What expressions are used? So to help you recognize negative messages, it is important that you are familiar with the commonly used negative words and expressions. But first, what is negative message? So negative messages are verbal or non-verbal communication that includes information that is unfavorable, disappointing, or harmful. So the purpose of negative messages is to reduce conflict between the sender and receiver, decrease the impact of bad news, or reinforce a negative consequences. So here are the following signal words and expressions commonly used to express negative messages. When conveying negative expression or negation, you can use these words: neither, never, no one, nobody, none, nor, nothing, nowhere, no way, not at all, not possible. So that are the words. So example, online class not possible for all students. So the word not possible is an example of negative expression. So when expressing disappointment, you can use feel bitter, disillusion. So when expressing disappointment, you can use feel bitter, disillusion, dismayed, disgruntled, sad to know. So example, people feel bitter when things don't go as planned. As usual. So the word feel bitter, oh my G. So example, people feel bitter when things don't go as planned. As usual. So feel bitter is a word that is negative expression that is used in a sentence. So another, when expressing anger or disagreement, you can use I disagree. I don't think so. I doubt. That's impossible. No way. So that are the words. So example for these, I disagree when people insist to go out even during curfew hours. So the word I disagree is an example of negative signal words that is used in the sentence. Now, try to make a sentence using negative signal. Let's see if you get it. Very, very good. You can recognize now what are those negative signals that you can use in the sentence. Again, negative messages convey unpleasant information such as negation, disappointment, anger, or disagreement. Thank you for listening. I hope you will learn something. Thank you.